Thank you for joining us, and this is Protocol Conversion using a Redlion DataStation Plus. The first thing we'll do is go up and do a File, New, and we will select the DataStation off of the product list, and I'll select a GT model with full VGA. Click OK, and it changes the environment over to DataStation Plus. If I double click on Communications, here's my list of ports, and I'm going to select the 232 port, and we have an Allen Bradley device on that port. So we'll come over here to the protocol list and select Allen Bradley. We'll leave it at DF1 master and click OK. Alright, and that assigns a device to that port, and I'm going to highlight that device and rename it AB. And while we're here, we'll highlight the Ethernet port and enable it. Over here under port mode, we will select manual configuration. There's your IP address if you'd want to change that. We're going to leave it at default. And we'll select the protocol for the Ethernet port. We want that Allen Bradley device to appear as a Modbus slave device. So we'll go down here and select Modbus. And TCP/IP slave will do the trick, and click OK. Alright, that assigns a PLC device to that port. I'm going to rename that MB slave so that it makes sense to me when I see it. And we do our protocol conversion with gateway blocks. So I'm going to add a block, and I'm going to highlight that block, and we're going to give it a starting address. Now the addresses are going to look like Modbus addresses. So I'm going to use the 40,000 or 400,000 registers. So I highlight the prefix of 4, click OK. Now I need to know how many registers in a row I want to create. So I'm going to make it 16. Say OK. And that gives me a list of 16 Modbus registers on that block. So if I highlight 400,001, I get a mapping tree on the right, and there's my Allen Bradley device. If I expand that, you can see all the different things I can expect to see in the Allen Bradley. I'm going to click, hold, and drag and drop the word integers on 400,001, N70, leave it at 16, and there is a list of Allen Bradley registers mapped to the list of Modbus registers. If a Modbus master SCADA package asks my Ethernet port for what's in 400,008, it's going to get what's in N77 on the 232 port. And that is protocol conversion.